Whoops! You made some mistakes and now you have poor business credit. Don't worry, it's not the end of the world. But now it's time to take steps to repairing your business credit. So how do you go about doing that? You can repair business credit in a number of ways, including disputing inaccuracies on credit reports, applying for new vendor accounts and business credit cards, keeping utilization low, and negotiating the removal of negative marks. In this video, we're going to go over the steps that can help you repair your business credit. The first step to repair your business credit is to select vendors that regularly report on-time payments to major business credit bureaus, such as Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Business, and Equifax Small Business. This is important because it will help build your business's credit score, making it easier for you to build back up your credit score. Here are some vendors that regularly report to the major business credit bureaus: Office Garner, Divvy, Uline.com, Quill.com, and Grainger.com. Office Garner reports to all the major credit bureaus as long as your purchase amount is greater than $45. Setting up a Net30 vendor account with them takes less than 5 minutes. Divvy offers credit card options for both newer and older business and is an excellent, easy approval credit card option. You can get started with submitting an online application. This is a great option because business credit cards are an easy option for improving your credit, as they regularly report your monthly spending to major credit bureaus. Uline.com reports to Experian and Dun & Bradstreet, but your order must be higher than $50 for them to report it. Quill.com may require a $100 prepaid order before they'll extend a Net30, but in any case, you'll need to have a Dun & Bradstreet PaidX score established. For them to report, you'll need to place a $500 or higher purchase. To qualify, you'll also need a website with a custom email address. Grainger.com reports to Dun & Bradstreet, but will require that you're in good standing with the Secretary of State. And here are some additional Net30 starter vendors to consider. Keep in mind that prerequisites are that you have filed with the Secretary of State, have a DUNS number, and that your business phone number is listed in the 411 directory. The additional vendors are Reliable, Gemplers, HD Supply, Seton, Interstate Batteries, Blue Ribbon Web Hosting, and Go Promos. After selecting the vendors you'll use, you'll then want to dispute inaccuracies on your business credit reports. The next step to cleaning up your business credit is to dispute inaccuracies on your business credit report. This is important to do because often companies and even business credit bureaus make mistakes. Here's how to dispute inaccuracies on your business credit reports. Pull a copy of your business credit report from each major credit reporting agency like Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Business, and Equifax Small Business. Review each report and highlight each inaccuracy. Check for how things are spelled, that the industry code is correct, dates align, trade lines are being reported accurately, and everything else looks correct. Provide proof of the inaccuracies. You may have to contact vendors and even photocopy invoices and other financial statements to prove your case. Mail, email, or fax back the highlighted reports and proof to the business credit bureaus to fix. It will usually take 30 days for these changes to reflect. However, Experian has a help portal on their website where changes can be made immediately. After you've gone through all of your credit reports, you'll want to apply for a business credit card. One of the easiest ways to build your business credit score is to apply for a business credit card. These revolving lines of business credit can substantially help your business credit improve, as they carry a lot of weight on your credit reports. Here's how to apply for a business credit card. Find the right credit card for your business. Different cards offer different incentives, rewards, and terms. Do your due diligence to determine the best card for your business needs. Fill out the business credit card application, which can usually be filled out online, and get approved. If applying online or over the phone, you may get instant approval. Otherwise, you may have to wait for an approval letter in the mail. Activate your card and begin using it. Remember to keep your card balance below 30% of your credit line. A mistake many business owners make is maxing out their credit. The rule of thumb is to only spend up to 30% of your revolving credit line. Following this rule will reflect better on your credit report, increasing your credit score. Here are some tips to help maintain a 30% utilization ratio. Have multiple lines of credit. More than one business credit card will ensure that you can budget for this 30% utilization better. Ask for higher credit limits. The larger the line of credit you have, the higher the dollar value of the 30%. Monitor your spending. The biggest reason business owners spend more than 30% is because they mismanage their credit accounts, so keep an eye on them constantly. Know where the 30% mark is. The formula for calculating 30% is account debt divided by credit limit, then multiply by 100. After ensuring that you're maintaining the appropriate account balances, you'll then want to negotiate the removal of any negative marks on your credit reports. Contact all vendors who've reported negative marks against your business credit and see if you can work something out with them to get them to remove the negative marks. This applies to both vendors you currently have and those you've done business with in the past. Here are some guidelines to help you. Ask if you make 6 months payment on time if the creditor will take off the previous 6 months of negative marks. Tell them you're trying to repair your business credit and they may wish to help. Contact old creditors and see what you can do to get them to remove the previous marks that have stained your credit. You may have to place an order with them, or you may get lucky and they're just willing to help you. Write letters to the business credit bureaus and fight the negative marks. Credit bureaus will often remove marks against you if you prove your case. When negotiating with creditors that you've wronged in the past, express how sorry you are and how you want to make things right with them. They're way more likely to help you this way. If you've taken a couple of hits to your credit score, it's important to build back up your business's credit rating. You can do this by working with vendors that regularly report to business credit bureaus, disputing inaccuracies on your credit reports, applying for business credit cards, keeping credit account balances below 30%, and negotiating to remove negative marks on your credit report. It can be a slow process to repair business credit, but with a strong business credit rating, you can get access to benefits like low APR, increased lines of credit, and good relationships with vendors. You'll also want to regularly check your reports and FICO scores to ensure that you can see your credit score improving as you make all these changes. For more information on building business credit and detailed guides, check out our pages at howtostartanllc.com, linked below. Give the video a like if you found it useful, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. And if you have any questions or encounter any roadblocks, leave a comment below. Good luck in starting your small business.